Welcome to what may be the finest mining operation I've ever visited, Pembroke's Olive Downs complex located in Queensland, Australia's Bowen Basin. The first step to the actual coal mining process here at Olive Downs is moving the overburden, which is behind me, that brown stuff, and then they have to move all of that brown overburden. So they've stripped the topsoil, they've saved that for the reclamation. They've removed that softer brown material, and now we're down to the harder rock. That's when the 3 autonomous drills here they have on site will take over, drill all of the holes necessary for the blasting. After the coal is exposed, it's loaded into trucks with Liebherr excavators. That's a 9400 behind me loading an autonomous 793. If you look closely, there's no one in that cab. From here, it goes by haul road up to the plant for the next step. Let's check out the command center, the brain behind it all. The 3 drills we saw out in the pit are run here from this chair. You just need one of these operator stations, one operator for all 3 drills. The drills are autonomous, so if it's sitting in a row of 20, it can go drill all of those without any input from the operator. The operator then just moves the drill over to the next row, and then the drill continues. So this operator here can sit here all day, manage 3 drills from out in the field with no dramas.
Everything that is out there, whether it's a road, a barn, an edge of a dump, is all surveyed by people on the ground. That comes in here, it gets built as a mine model, and we get all the lanes and all the dumps set up, and then all that data is then relayed back into the truck computer system.
And then once the trucks are going, the trucks are driving themselves.
Yeah, trucks are all driverless, there's no one in the truck, it's all done by themselves, and just this room here itself will control the whole operation out there.
This is the downstream side of the process. We've mined the coal from different seams in the pit, we've trucked it up here. Teese is dumping into that crusher that's sizing the coal. They're dumping at least 800 tons per hour into the system. It travels by conveyor belt into that storage hopper there that's feeding it at a consistent rate into the plant. We have trucks, Teese trucks getting loaded with the pure rejects that's then going back into the pit that they're hauling back with them. The coking coal is the really good stuff. That's with the D11 up there. That's that finished product. And then we have that secondary product, which is the thermal coal. This is where the Olive Downs complex story starts to conclude, where they load out the steelmaking coal into the rail carriages. This train pulling in right now, going around the loop, coming back to the silo is 126 cars. Over 10,000 tons of coal will be in this train by the time it's fully loaded, headed to the port. They load 1 to 2 of these every single day of the year. From here, it heads over 100 kilometers to the port, where it's then loaded on ships, and those ships then go to the end consumer. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. Stay dirty.